Today we're going to show you how to complete the infamous cat eye using the new Total Precision Liquid Eyeliner from Aloette. To create the perfect cat eye shape for your eye specifically, take a straight edge like your eye silk brush and draw a line from the outer corner of your eye to the end of your brow. Your cat eye should not go out beyond this imaginary line. This is also where you'll determine the length of your cat eye, which will create or determine how dramatic your cat eye is. For example, today, I've decided that I'm not going to do an overly dramatic wing today, so I'm going just above to the edge of where the crease of her eye would be. I'm going to place one little dot with my Aloette liner right there, and that's going to be the starting point of my cat eye. Once you have the starting point, then simply take your liquid liner and draw from your starting point in an angle down towards the middle of the lash line. Once you've hit the middle of the lash line, then you can draw the other side of your winged cat eye liner. Now at this point, you're going to take the liner brush straight down to the outer corner of the eye, and this has created the outline for your cat eye. At this point, you can go ahead and either fill in the cat eye wing, or you can go ahead and continue on for the rest of the lash line. Now, the idea of a cat eye liner is that it graduates in a nice smooth angle from the outer edge all the way to the inner corner of the eye. But once you get halfway across the eyelid, you're going to have basically a straightforward liquid line all the way to the inner corner.